Jiggity, 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 jiggity. Jigga Jay-Z. Once again, the case is coming back to court. Jay-Z's assumed son, who's a grown man, Rymir Satterthwaite, um, Zamir. And the thing about Zamir thing is that he's claiming Jay-Z has abused the court system for 8 years to avoid taking a DNA test to prove that he's the father of him. He's tired of being denied by Jay-Z. So the thing is, he's been going about this case for a very long time. I didn't know it was 8 years, but I remember it being very long. And it was like, wow, dude. And it was a long time. But the latest lawsuit claimed that Ramirez saying that the lawyer he hired was best friends and neighbors of Jay-Z's lawyer, and they worked together to create a procedural problem that led to the case being thrown out. And that was 2 years ago. So his mother Wanda came forward and said that her son, who's now 22, was fathered by Jay-Z, and claimed that she's been battling Jay-Z in court since 2012, and she was disrespected by his legal team. So, and then he said that Jay-Z had approached the federal court claiming that the attorneys and employees of the local court system conspired to keep away any key documents from the case. His defense team has been fighting since 2011 to get him recognized by Jay-Z and his mom. And he's filed what they call a notice of federal younger doctrine in the Supreme Court of New Jersey, claiming that the dereliction of duty had led to the constitutional rights being violated. Satterthwaite has also asked the FBI to open a probe into the corruption as not limited to mail fraud, consumer fraud, RICO, and Corrupt Organizations Act of part of New Jersey, Canton County Trial Court Family Part. And he says, I don't want your money. Because Jay-Z has previously denied paternity through his lawyers who filed legal documents in 2011 saying there's been no determination or viable claim of a familial relationship with Mr. Carter. Rymir claims he doesn't want any of Jay-Z's money. He was like, man, this is not about money for me. The whole thing was just to see who my father was. And honestly, I got my own money. I work 2 jobs. I take care of my own business. I don't want the money. So y'all tell me, should Jay just take the doggone DNA test and get it over with? And why is he fighting it anyway? You know, quite sure he's thinking of the brand, and that messes up his brand thing or whatever he's got going. But this is supposed to be your son. This might be your son, so why would you? I don't get it. You know, but it is what it is. You know, it's Jay, so it's always gonna be that controversy out there. When you want to know, I mean, this could possibly be your kid. You would think that, man, this could possibly be my kid. I mean, I just don't get it. I really don't. I mean, to me, I would want to know that. That would just blow my mind to not know and have that question out there. I was like, nah, I need to, you know, that's just me. I would want to know. I just can't see a person that wouldn't want to know. That must just be a complete coward. 'Cause why would you want your child to grow up? Because all these things gonna happen is the kid gonna grow up. You're gonna be old. Kid's gonna be young. And he gonna be go to hell. I don't want to see you. That's what's gonna happen over and over again. So on that note, I am out. And definitely tell me, what do you think Jay should do in the comment section? Should he take the DNA test or just fight it in court? Y'all tell me.